My name is Chimdi Hazier. I'm a content creator currently living in Maryland. I'm recording this in Mexico City though, and I'm actually emotionally based in Los Angeles, California, which means I used to live there and I really love it and I really miss it. And if it's relevant, I'm spiritually based in New York City, which means I've asked God to bless me with a 1-bedroom apartment, east facing, natural light, either Brooklyn or Manhattan. And I believe it's gonna happen because God is real and manifestation is too. Anyway, when Nazir Fleming told me about this opportunity, I was super excited and I went on my YouTube channel to figure out which of the clips I would include to highlight my velvety smooth voiceover abilities. I watched 5 different videos and I have to say, it was deeply humbling and I realized why I have 5,000 subscribers and not 500,000. So instead, I decided to create something original for you all. Here are the top 3 reasons you should watch your own YouTube videos over instead of just editing them for 20 hours and hitting publish and never watching them again. Reason 1, it will make you a better creator. Yes, consistency is key when growing a platform, but obviously quality is too. And when you're in the editing booth, you are way too close to the material to objectively know if it's good or not. Reason number 2, it will give you ideas. I love to experiment with new editing styles and recording techniques with every video, but that means sometimes great ideas from the past are never revisited. Wheels were invented in 3500 BC and they nailed it. What are you doing, girl? And finally, reason number 3, you love yourself. If you created an entire YouTube channel solely dedicated to your own life with no discernible niche and you spend hours every week updating it, chances are you think you're real cute. So why deny yourself the pleasure of watching yourself talk? It's like rereading your own diary, only strangers on the internet chime in to tell you how great you are. And I personally can't imagine how that could ever have any negative side effects for your life at any point at all. I hope you enjoyed this voiceover. It really did become an advertisement for my YouTube channel, which was not the intent, but obviously if you want to subscribe, I'm not gonna stop you. Thank you, and I hope to hear from you soon.